Festival Mall to any MRT station on the weekends. Okay, so Festival Mall, sakay ka ng bus sa may Star Mall. Tawid ka ng Star Mall, may mga bus doon na papuntang Ayala Station. Yan. Yan yung pinakamabilis kasi ah, kapag dumaan ka ng Las Piñas, traffic, so wag ka nang dadaan doon. So, yun na lang. SLEX via SLEX. So, walk to Star Mall yan. Then may bus doon to One Ayala. So, basically pareho lang kami ng sagot. Yan. Pwede ka rin bumaba ng Magallanes, then maglalakad ka papuntang Magallanes Station. And then last option, apart from the bus, is to ride the jeep na Pasay Rotonda. Pag Pasay Rotonda naman, 24 hours ang biyahe from Star Mall, Alabang. Ang via SLEX usually hanggang 8 p.m. lang yan. And then yung the rest, dadaan na siya sa service road. Ang baba mo na nito is Taft Station. Pwede ka magbaba ng Magallanes and then walk towards MRT Magallanes.